will continue its horticulture export to Russia despite the crippling trade restrictions imposed on the country by the United States and its European allies. Livestock Principal Secretary Harry Kimtai says the government is yet to receive any communications on trade restrictions and plans to resume exports of avocado to Russia on the 4th of next month. Russia is engaged in a major war with its neighbor Ukraine for the last 4 days now. Kenya is studying the restrictions to see how they will affect the country after some Russian banks were cut off from the global SWIFT financial system over the weekend.
Russia to Ukraine and the European countries where we are exporting a lot have put sanctions. We want to see how these sanctions are going to affect us. But for now, we are saying that these sanctions do not touch us. And I so believe that there is now going to be more requirement. There's going to be demand for our fresh produce. And therefore, we need to make sure that we produce more to support those countries that are going to receive the refugees from Ukraine. So in one way, I think it is important for us to ensure that we make sure that our farmers are able to supply on short notice. To ensure that we make adequate.
Field, China's gross domestic product has jumped to $18.1 trillion after registering a growth of 8.1% in 2021. The National Bureau of Statistics has said the economic expansion was driven by the service and manufacturing sectors. Economic analysts expect China to become the world's biggest economy in this decade, trouncing the United States. More
increase of the mechanical, electrical and chemical products as well as the labor are the challenges the Chinese enterprises are facing.